So today let's continue with our chapter number 4, that is subtraction. So question number 1 is subtract the following numbers. So let's start from ones place, ones column. So there you can see 7 minus 5. What we'll get here, children? Yes, 2. Now let's move to tens column. So there you can see 1 minus 2. 1 minus 2 is not possible. It means we have to borrow from hundreds place. And what is the digit at the hundreds place? That is 3. So when we'll borrow 1 from 3, 2 will be remaining here, and this tens, at the tens, this 1 becomes 1, 1, 11. Now 11 minus 2, what we'll get? 9. Now let's move to hundreds place. There you can see 2 minus 6, that is again not possible. It means now we have to borrow from thousands place. And what is the digit at the thousands place? 2. So now we'll borrow 1 from there. So what will be remaining here? 1 only, and this will become 12. At the hundreds place, that 2 becomes, 2 hundreds become 12 hundreds now. So 12 minus 6, what we'll get? 6 only. Now let's move to thousands column. So 1 minus 0, 1 we will get. Now let's move to 10,000. So 4 minus 1, what we will get? 3. So what is the answer obtained here? The difference obtained, can you read this number? Yes, it's 31,692. Okay. Now let's move to the next question. Question number C is, so let's start from ones place. So there you can see 3 minus 5 is not possible. So we have to borrow from tens place. But at the tens place again you can see 0 is there. So we cannot borrow. Now we have to move to hundreds place. So there also you can see 0. It means now we have to move to thousands place to borrow. So there you can see the digit 7. So we will borrow 1 from there. So what will be remaining here? 6 only. And at hundreds place it becomes 10. It means now we can borrow at tens place as well. So when we'll borrow 1 from hundreds place, the 9 will be remaining here, and this here will become, at the tens place we'll get 10. So now we can borrow at ones place as well. So when we'll borrow 1 from tens place, that 10 from when we'll borrow 1 from there, 9 will be remaining, and this will become now 1, 3, 13. So 13 minus 5, what we'll get, children? 13 minus 5, 8. Now let's move to tens place. 9 minus 6, what we'll get? 3. Now let's move to hundreds place. 9 minus 5, 9 minus 4, 5 we will get. Now let's move to thousands place. 6 minus 9 is not again possible. So again we have to now borrow from 10,000s place. So when we'll borrow 1 from 10,000s place means from 8. So 7 will be remaining here. And that at the thousands place we'll get 16. It will become 16. Now 16 minus 9, what we'll get? 7. Now look at the 10,000s place. 7 minus 9. That is not possible. It means we have to borrow from lakhs place. So when we'll borrow 1 from 6, 5 will be remaining here, and this will become 17 now. So 17 minus 9, what we'll get? 8. And then now look, let's move to lakhs place. So 5 minus 2, 3. So can you read the answer obtained here? Yes, it's 3,87,538. Okay. Now let's move to the next question. Question number 2 is, find the following differences. Two numbers means the minuend and subtrahend is been given. We have to find the difference. So the minuend here is 50,871 minus the subtrahend is 23,692. So let's start from ones column, start from ones place. So 1 minus 2, there you can see that is not possible. It means we have to borrow from tens place. So when we'll borrow 1 from tens place, the digit there is 7, which will become 6 now, and at ones place now we have 1, 1, 11. So 11 minus 2, what we'll get here? 9. Now let's move to tens place. Again 6 minus 9 is not possible. It means we have to borrow from hundreds place, and what is the digit at the hundreds place? 8. So when we'll borrow 1 from 8, we'll get 7 here, and at tens place now we have 16. So now let's see the tens column. 16 minus 9, what we'll get? 7. Okay. Now let's move to hundreds column. 7 minus 6, 1. Now let's move to thousands place, thousands column. So 0 minus 3 is not possible. It means we have to borrow from 10,000s place. So when we'll borrow 1 from 5, what will be remaining here? 4. And at thousands place now we have 10. Okay. So 10 minus 3, what we'll get here? 7. And now let's move to 10,000s place. So 4 minus 2, we'll get here 2. So what is the difference obtained here? Yes, 27,179. Okay children. Now let's move to the next question. So question number C is where the minuend is 3,45,726 and subtrahend is 1,80,313. So let's start from ones place, ones column. So 6 minus 3, what will get children? 3. Now let's move to tens column. So 2 minus 1, 1. Now let's move to hundreds place. So 7 minus 3, 4. Now let's move to thousands column. 5 minus 0, 5 only. Now let's move to 10,000s column. So 4 minus 8, that is not possible. It means we have to borrow from lakhs place. And what is the digit at the lakhs place? 3. So when we'll borrow 1 from 3, 2 will be remaining here, and at the 10,000 place now we have 14. So 14 minus 8, what will get children? 6. And 2 minus 1, 1. So what is the answer obtained here? Can you read the difference? Yes, it's 1,65,413. Got it children? Okay. Now let's move to the next question where the minuend is 2,78,005 whereas the subtrahend is 82,796. So let's subtract. Let's start from ones place. We always start from ones column. So 5 minus 6 is not possible. So we have to borrow, but there also you can see the digit 0 is there. It means now we have to move to hundreds place to borrow, but there also you can see the digit 0. Now it means that we have to move to thousands place to borrow. So what is the digit at the thousands place? 8. So when we'll borrow 1 from there, so 7 will be remaining here, and now at the hundreds place we have 10. So now we can borrow at tens place as well. So when we'll borrow 1 from hundreds place, 9 will be remaining here, and this will become 10. And now we can borrow at ones place as well. So when we'll borrow 1 from tens place, 9 will be remaining here, and this will become 5 becomes 15 ones. 10 ones plus 5 ones, 15 ones. So now 15 minus 6, what we'll get? 9. Now let's move to tens column. 9 minus 9, what we'll get children? 0. Now look at the hundreds column. 9 minus 7, 2. Now look at the thousands column. 7 minus 2, 5. Now look at the 10,000 column. So 7 minus 8, that is not possible. It means we have to borrow from lakhs place. So 2, the digit 2 is there. So when we'll borrow 1 will be remaining here, and this 7 now becomes 17. So 17 minus 8, what we'll get? 9. And this 1 will come here. So what is the answer obtained here? Can you read this difference children? Yes, it's 1,95,209. Okay. So now let's move to the next question. So the next question number 3rd is solve the following input output problems, and you have to subtract 10. So how to do input output problems? Earlier in the previous class we have discussed that. So there you can see 2 columns are there, input and output, and in the question it's been asked to subtract 10. it means you have to subtract from 10 from each of the given number in the input column. And you have to subtract 10. So in shortcut, you can just subtract the digit which is at the tens place in each number. Okay, so let's see the first number, that is 24,976. So just look at the digit at the tens place. And what is the digit at the tens place? Because you have to subtract 10, that's why we are looking at the digit at the tens place. So just look at the digit at the tens place in the first number, that is 7. So only we will subtract 1 from the digit at the tens place in each number. So what we will get as output for first number? It will be 24,900, and 7 minus 1, what will get, children? Yes, 966. Got it? You can do it manually as well, but that is the shortcut method where you have to just subtract 1 from the digit at the tens place. Suppose you have to subtract 100, then you would have been subtracting 1 from the digit at the hundreds place. Got it? Suppose it is you have to subtract 1000, 1000, then you have to subtract only 1 from the digit which is at the thousands place. Got it? So let's move to the next number now, which is 18,417. So now you have to subtract 10. So look at the digit at the tens place. What is the digit at the tens place? 1. So 1 minus 1, what you will get, children? 0. And 7 will write as it is. So what will be in the output column? 18,407. Now let's move to the next number, that is 38,527. So what we will subtract? We will subtract 1 from the digit at the tens place. And what is the digit at the tens place here? 2. So 2 minus 1, what we will get? 1 only. So what will be in the output column here? 38,500. 2 minus 1, 1 we will get 7. Okay. Now let's move to the next number. What is the digit at the tens place here? 1. And the number is 2,91,013. So what will we write in the input output column here? It will be 2,91,000. And look at the digit at the tens place, which is 1. So 1 minus 1, 0, 3. So what will come in the output column here? 2,91,003. Okay. Now let's move to the next number, which is 3,52,129. So now what is the digit at the tens place here? 2. So only we will subtract 1 from it. So what we will get here? 3,52,001, and 2 minus 1, what we will get, children? 9. So in the output column here we will have 3,52,119. You can subtract 10 manually as well, and you have to subtract manually when the digit at the tens place here is 0, because in that case you may have to borrow. Okay, but here all the numbers were either they were equal to 1 or they were more than 1. That's why we did like them. Got it? So children, that's all for today. Goodbye. Take care. Thank you.